Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? We got another display box of the Gold Series Premium Gold. We'll open her up. Vomit Shark.
Folders?
You don't have to spread them out, just put them on top of each other.
Maybe it's like this one.
Dante, there we go. Because it takes up too much space, I can't really. Alright, M7, Slip Rider, Giant Hand, hey!
Fuck yeah!
And Farfa, right? Lightning Chidori, Good Witch, Face Off, New Card, another Farfa. Last pack. Oh, nope, this is the second box. Alright, the second box of the display box. Majester Paladin, hey. Ice Hand, E-Telly, that's the first one I've seen in a while. Virgil. Well, Konami's job was to make cards cheap. They did it. They killed the secondary market. Slip Rider, Stormforth, new card, Pilgrim. Another Ignister. Fairy Wind, new card. Another Burning Abyss dude.
Farfa.
Another Farfa.
Opening these packs is a sport, man. I'm sweating.
Another Lightning Chidori, another Good Witch, Mass Change, some card I don't know, Scarm. Next pack. Norito, Moral Leader, Treacherous Chapel, Remove Brainwashing, new card, Maxi, hey! That's what's up. Vector Pendulum, hey, Dark Destroyer, Chimera Tech, new dude, something of the Burning Abyss, I don't know if that's new or not. And second to last box of the display box. Draco Slayer, Forerunner, Blazing, new card, Virgil.
You did? He did. Cool. Damn, he got the giant hound too. That's like
another Vector, Cosmotown, Dark Mirror Force, new card.
Broken box so far.
Sir, Dark Destroyer. Yeah, this is the good case.
Yeah.
For the good display box. Another Norito, Wicked Witch, Radiance, new card, and another Pilgrim. Alright, 2 more packs. Or is it 3?
3.
Alright, last box of the display box. 3 packs. Let's do it. Let's pull another giant hand. Volcasaurus, haven't seen one of those in a while. New card, Radiance. Another one, and I forgot what it's called. Another Norito. Horn of Heaven, something, new card, junk card, Burning Abyss. Like, the people that are gonna watch it, they're gonna know what the cards are. So, and they're really hard to read. Like Cowboy, another Treacherous, Shared Ride, new card, and Sir. All right, YouTube, that was it. Stay tuned for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos. Thanks a lot for watching.